Hello, this is my second video in my series on easily missed Beaver Builder features, tips and tricks. In this one, I want to make my own page templates look a little bit nicer, closer to what the Beaver Builder ones have here. Generally, this is what I am dealing with, which is not a great way to hand things over to a client. And should I be wanting to build a DIY solution for someone, I would want something a little bit more attractive than this. So I'm just going to show you how we can make this look a little nicer. So first, I'd like to have all of my saved templates go into different sections. So we'll go over to the back end, and under Beaver Builder here we'll see there are categories, and I've gone ahead already and I've created one for home pages. So then it's just a case of going into our templates and making sure that we assign the templates to the correct one. So I'm just going to go into home 2 here first and add that to home pages. And in fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a featured image as well. So home 2 was this one. Let's add that in and update this, and we'll go and do the same with another home page 1 here that's got a longer title, and we'll add that to home pages. I've already, as in the earlier video, I've adjusted my post attributes, so I've placed them in the order that I would like, and I'm going to add in again another of my templates, this one for that. Okay, so let's just update this and we'll go and take a look at what we've got now. So we'll do a quick refresh and we'll go under our templates, and now at least we have a group for our home pages, but you really can't see much on this. So I thought it would be nice just to make these a little bit bigger. So what I've done is I've created some CSS so I can adjust this and place the text underneath and have the sizes be a little bit more like the landing pages here. So I've created a blog post article, and here is my CSS. So I'm just going to grab this from here. Now what I noticed is that if we inspect the images that we have, whatever size is picked, whatever size is showing through, it's scaled down, and it's been scaled down to 41 pixels by 49. So what I did is, with my images that I've uploaded, I've scaled those back up to 156 by 187, which seems a kind of nice size, and I've allowed a little bit of space on this one with my CSS. But let me just show you this by adding this in. I'm going to press, I'm on a PC, so I'm going to press Control and U and get my global settings. I'm not sure if this is the best place to put it, but it seems out of the way, and as it's only for the page builder, it seems a good idea to include it in the page builder. So I'm just added that, and I'm going to save it, and all being well, yeah, there we are. There we have our templates looking a little bit more, I mean, not quite as nice because they're not side by side. I'm sure if someone spent a bit of time, they could probably arrange this better. Let me quickly just go over what the CSS is doing. So the top bit here is just, that's the top bit, that's just setting out the space for our thumbnail, so giving it a width of 160 to increase the size of that. Then that pushed the text along. So what I did on this last bit here is I repositioned this to absolute, so it pushed to the bottom, and I just needed to add a little bit of padding here, 30 pixels padding to the bottom, so when we're hovering over, it wasn't sort of obscuring the text, so you can see the little white is appearing over the top. I hope this was useful. If you like this, then please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for listening to me. Bye bye.